So this is the Adora 613 DT Isonzo. I'm just going to take you for a walk around the inside and show you how it all works. So, as you can see, this is a brand new Adria. Everything's still wrapped up. So by the door, you've got your main control panels, master switch, controls all your power to the Caravan, water pump, main lights, which is your main control for all the lights in the Caravan, light switches for around the window at the front, and then above me here, again light switches for around the Caravan, behind me above the cabinets, and then light switch for the awning. Below you've got the ultra heat control panel. Depending on what site you're on, you'll have the choice of 500, 1000 and 2000 watts. So for now I'm just going to put it onto 500 watts. This is on the electric side of the heating, obviously. You've got your heat control around the outside between 1 and 9. Obviously wherever the green light is the power or the heater will put out. Below, a couple of USB points and then TV points below, obviously with a TV mount on the wall. I do apologise about the noise from the mats on the floor, trying to keep the Caravan as clean as we can, obviously. Underneath the seat, on the far side of the Caravan, you have your water tank. Very easy to operate. Little yellow switch down the front here is your drain down switch, so when it's in the up position like this, it's set to drain. When you flick the switch down, you'll be able to fill the tank on board. And the little blue box in front here, as you can see, is the motor mover control box. Above the sink, or above the cooker should I say, is the heating control, so the water tank on gas down the bottom here, and then on electric at the top. 230 volt supply obviously coming into the Caravan powers the water heater system. For 30 degrees of water, push the switch up on the boiler LE control, which obviously stands for electric. In the centre it'll be off, and at the bottom it'll be 6 degrees of water temperature. At the bottom, to ignite on gas, simply push the switch up. As you can hear, just try to ignite there on gas. And if you want to ignite on 70 degrees of water temperature, put it down and again it will try to ignite. Obviously cooker is the same as your household cooker, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about that. Obviously electric igniter on this one, and then obviously all your controls the same as your household oven itself. Below the oven we should have some gas taps. Or not. Oops. There we go, sorry, just to the right hand side of the cooker in the cupboard at the bottom. As you can see on the front, hob and cooker control for gas. If you ever need to isolate the gas, simply turn the control around 90 degrees and it'll turn the gas off. On the heater itself, you can obviously run it on gas as well. Very simple to use. Turn the dial round, it's already ignited, trying to ignite as you can hear. Once it's ignited, with your finger holding it down, the button or the control valve on the right hand side, it will ignite up. Obviously then you've got your temperature settings around the outside. On this side, the little dial around the bottom, you've got blown air turned off, automatic blown air, which essentially works like your your thermostat at home, and then manual blown air, which is obviously constant blown air. On top you have the fan speed, very simple to use. The fridge, very simple to use again. As you can see at the moment it's on electric power. The button here on the left hand side is the on and off button. All you have to do is hold it in to turn it off and release. Turn it back on, hold it again, and it'll come back on to electric again for you. If you want to change what power supply you're using, the middle grey button, wait till it starts flashing, then select across to which one you'd like to use. Once you've selected what power source you want to use, hit the grey button again and it will set that. With the temperature, once you've set your power supply, you can set the temperature of the fridge. Obviously we advise you have it on full to get the most or the best operation out of it. With the toilet, very simple to use, electric flush on top, as you can hear, and then your waste trap at the bottom. Obviously very simple, just open and shut the waste flap to let the waste down into the cassette underneath. So that's a general overview of the Adria Adora 613DT Isonzo. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been of some help. If you need any more help at all, give us a call at the Caravan Company, Northamptonshire. Thank you. Have a good day.